Welcome to Akiara Yume Stitch sewing machine demo session. Let's take a look at some of the accessories and key features. Power adapter connector for easy power supply. Foot pedal for hands-free operation. Set of needles, threads and bobbin. Connect the power cord and as well as foot pedal to the machine. LED light to illuminate your workspace. Speed button for adjustable sewing speed. Reverse stitch button for added versatility. Thread cutter for convenient thread management. There is also a drawer to keep your accessories. Threading the machine. Start by threading the thread through the first loop as shown in the video. Continue thread through the second loop. Remember, each step will be mentioned on the machine. A missed loop can significantly affect the quality of stitching, so take your time to thread through all 6 loops carefully. Thread through the needle hole from front to back, pulling about 4 inches of thread out. Bottom bobbin replacement. Remove the bobbin cover and remove the bobbin. Place the bobbin in position 9. Rotate the hand wheel once in a clockwise direction. As you rotate, the thread of the needle will start winding onto the bobbin. Pull the thread of the needle to bring the bobbin thread upwards. Separate both threads and you're ready to stitch. Bobbin refilling. Start by threading the thread through the first loop as shown in the video. Place it on the bobbin winder pin. Take the thread and rotate it on the empty bobbin. Push the empty bobbin towards the bobbin winder and turn on the machine. Ensure the thread comes out of the needle before using the bobbin refill. Presser foot replacement. Use the presser foot lifter to raise the presser foot. Lift the foot locking lever to release the original presser foot. Insert the new presser foot and lower the presser foot lifter. Ensure the locking device engages and you're all set. Needle replacement. Loosen the needle screw to remove the needle easily. Ensure the flat side is facing the back. As we can see, needle is not fitting properly. Rotate the hand wheel to lift this thing so you can easily change the needle. Push the needle upwards and tighten the screw securely. Now you will see stitching patterns of this machine. Set the tension between 2 and 3. We are going to use universal foot presser for all patterns. The pattern dial should be aligned with the arrow. You will get 20 patterns in this machine. Pattern number 1. Start the machine by using foot pedal. Pattern number 2. Pattern number 3. Pattern number 4. Pattern number 5. Pattern number 6. Pattern number 7. Pattern number 8. Pattern number 9. Pattern number 10. Pattern number 11. Pattern number 12. Pattern number 13. Pattern number 14. Pattern number 15. Pattern number 16. Pattern number 17. Pattern number 18. For buttonhole pattern you have to use pattern number 18, 19, 20. First pattern number 18. After that pattern number 19. After that pattern number 20. And again pattern number 19. Tension adjustment. Let's keep the tension below 2 and check the output. If the bottom stitch appears loose, increase the upper thread tension by turning the tension dial to a higher number. You can see the difference in the output. Now let's keep the tension high at 9 and check the output. As you can see, the top stitch is tight. If the top stitch looks tight, decrease the upper thread tension by turning the tension dial to a lower number. You can see the difference in the output. List of do's and don'ts. Always use a foot pedal so your machine can work properly for a longer time. Do rotate the handle to lower the needle into the fabric before starting to sew. While changing patterns, ensure the needle is in the up position. Because of the different pattern, needle changes its position and it can bend or break and machine will not function properly. Do use the reverse pattern only for the specified patterns 1 to 5 and 18 to 20. Don't use the reverse button for any other patterns to avoid damaging the machine. Don't forget to check the needle's straightness before operating the machine. If it's bent, replace it. Don't operate the machine without fabric after threading is done. Machine may not work properly. And this machine does not require oiling.